15 steps to multiply $100 into $1,000 into $10,000. Step-by-step guide anyone can follow. Most people think the path to wealth is one size fits all. But here's the truth. The strategy that takes you from $0 to $100 is not the same strategy that takes you from $100 to $1,000. And it's definitely not the same one that takes you to $10,000. Each level of growth demands a different mindset, a smarter move, and a sharper system. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about calculated steps, practical, proven, and repeatable. If you're starting with just $100 and want to know exactly how to multiply it, first into $1,000 and then into $10,000, this step-by-step guide is made for you. Let's dive into the 15 smart steps that can change your financial story. Welcome to the Millionaire's Fastlane. Let's dive in now. Part 1, from $100 to $1,000, step-by-step, no fluff, just smart moves. Step 1, pick a hustle that doesn't need much capital. With just $100, your first move is active income, not passive. You're buying leverage with time, not money. Look for a low-cost hustle. Flip used items on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Start offering services like cleaning, babysitting, graphic design, or tutoring. Try gig work, deliveries, task services, or virtual assistants. Goal, turn your $100 into $300 to $400 fast. Step 2, reinvent and reinvest. Don't spend the profits, reinvest everything. Use your first few flips or gigs to scale. Buy better inventory, get better tools, market yourself more. Every dollar now should be a soldier going out to work for you. Make it a rule, no profit gets consumed, only recycled. Step 3, learn while you earn now. Invest a portion, say $20 to $30, into information. Buy an online course, ebook, or subscribe to a creator who teaches your hustle. You're not just working harder, you're getting smarter. When you stack skill plus speed, you make money faster than people guessing their way through. Step 4, increase volume or raise prices. At around $300 to $500, it's time to scale. Ask, can I flip more items weekly? Can I offer a premium version of my service? Can I do bulk deals? You've proven the model. Now increase your volume or value. This is how you break the $500, $800 ceiling. Step 5, hit $1,000 and prepare to pivot. Once you hit that first $1,000, celebrate, but don't get comfortable. This stage isn't the finish line, it's the launch pad. Now you have enough cash to test new ideas, outsource work, invest in something with bigger returns. From here, the game changes. You shift from hustler to builder. That's part 1, turning $100 into $1,000 with 5 practical moves. Congratulations. But this is where most people get stuck. They either spend it, save it, or sit on it, unsure of what to do next. Here's the truth. What got you to $1,000 won't get you to $10,000. Now it's time to shift your focus from active hustling to strategic building. In this phase, you'll start creating systems, stacking skills, and using your money as a tool, not just a reward. If you follow these next 5 steps, you won't just make more money, you'll build momentum that never stops. Let's break it down, step by step, from $1,000 to $10,000. Step 6, niche down and specialize. At $1,000, it's time to stop being a generalist. Choose a profitable niche, one that solves a real problem and pays well. Web design for small businesses, fitness coaching for busy parents, social media management for local brands. Specialization, higher perceived value equals bigger paydays. General skills pay basic money. Specialized skills unlock serious income. Step 7, turn skill into system. Now that you've got a niche, build a repeatable system around it. Instead of starting from scratch every time, create templates, use checklists, automate parts of your workflow. Systems save time and scale effort. They let you take on more clients or charge more for faster delivery. Step 8, add a second stream of income. With money coming in, start building leverage. Look at income stream number 2, digital products, ebooks, mini courses, affiliate marketing, low maintenance reselling. This doesn't mean ditching your main hustle. It means planting a second money tree while the first one grows. Multiple income streams equals financial momentum. Step 9, increase your rates or output. You're no longer a beginner, so stop charging like one. Raise your rates or add a premium tier to your service. Offer bundles, upsell additional value. If you can't charge more yet, double your output with less effort, thanks to the systems you've built. Step 10, stack cash, not just revenue. This is the most overlooked part, cash flow discipline. As you scale from $1,000 to $10,000, don't just chase revenue, track profit. Set aside capital, create a cash cushion, reinvest with intention. What you keep matters more than what you earn. $10,000 made is useless if $9,800 is gone by month's end. That's part 2, the bridge between side hustler and strategic earner. Part 3, from $10,000 to $100,000. You've crossed the $10,000 mark. That's not pocket change anymore. That's capital. That's proof your hustle works. But now the rules change again. At this level, time becomes your most valuable asset. Your next steps shouldn't just make you money. They should multiply your time, grow your influence, and create long-term assets. This is the phase where you shift from being self-employed to becoming a builder, investor, or business owner. You're not just earning, you're designing a financial engine. The fast lane isn't about grinding forever. It's about building systems, creating leverage, and owning assets that pay you even when you're not working. You don't just hustle, you build. You don't just earn, you own. That's the difference between slow money and fast lane wealth. If that resonates with you, if you feel ready to break the limits and play a bigger game, then type fast lane way in the comments so we know you're one of the real ones who made it to the very end. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. This is Millionaire's Fast Lane. Smart moves, quick cash, and legit strategies to help you break free and build real wealth. See you in the next one.